Today's video is sponsored by My Tight Pants. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Bring a Luma Kia node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Adjust the low and high values to your liking. Add a duplicate node after, and connect it to the merge node as a foreground. Set the copy slider to 6, increase the size slider, and adjust the angle slider roughly around 80. Change the apply mode to screen. Open the blur menu, and adjust the blur and the glow sliders to your liking. Select the merge node, and add a polygon mask on it. Draw a rough shape around the upper part of your frame, and increase the soft edge slider. If you want, you can go back to the duplicate node, and add a color to your duplicates. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you have a terrible taste.